Police in Santa Cruz Village, members of the Special Patrol Unit along with the police officer stationed in Santa Cruz Village conducted a search on a home, and at that time, one Giovanni Castro was present at the home and could not give a satisfactory reason as to why he was at that specific home. As a result, he was taken into police custody and taken to his home where a search was conducted. That search resulted in the discovery of one 9mm pistol, which had in its magazine one 9mm round of ammunition. Also found was one .38 revolver, one 5.56 high-powered rifle with scope, 101 5.56 rounds of ammunition along with two magazines, one 158A smoke grenade. As a result, police have since arrested and charged Giovanni Castro, 26 years, Guatemalan laborer of Santa Cruz Village, for the offenses relating to firearms and ammunition found.